guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, today I'm going to be doing my spring 2024 product empties video. So I have this whole big box filled up with products I've used over the last several months, and I'm going to give you guys like a little micro review of each product, say if I would repurchase them, kind of say the pros and cons. And of course, this is all my own opinion. All these products were purchased myself. So let's go ahead and jump right into this week's video. If you haven't already, I would really encourage you to subscribe to my channel because I give lots of honest product reviews on makeup, beauty products, and big name products, subscription services, you name it. We have all the reviews right here for you. I also have a ton of travel vlogs on my channel as well as wedding planning tips. I'm getting married in August this year, so if you would be interested in any of those things, be sure you subscribe to my channel. So the first product that I used up was this Verb Ghost shampoo. This was a new product to me. I've never used this before, and Ulta was having a 50% off jumbo sale, and I thought that was a really good deal. So I ended up buying this shampoo and testing it out, and I love this shampoo. I didn't think I was gonna like it because it's pretty thick and creamy, and I have oily hair. But I ended up loving this shampoo. I feel like it hydrates your hair very nicely without being greasy, without overwhelming your hair if you have fine or oily hair. And it's just an all-around really nice shampoo, and I definitely will be repurchasing it. I used up the Tula Superfoods, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. This was a repurchase for me. I love this cleanser. It's a little bit too harsh to use every single day, but whenever I feel like a breakout coming on or I worked out and my face is like really sweaty, I will reach for this cleanser because it really does help with acne. It's made with turmeric, which is very good for acne. It's very good to fight inflammation, so I really like this cleanser. If you're struggling with acne, definitely give it a go. It's definitely a more expensive product, but it's worth it. I used up this Cetaphil Daily Oil-Free Hydrating Lotion made with hyaluronic acid. I already repurchased this product. Again, I have oily, sensitive skin, so I really try to have my moisturizers be very basic, and this product is definitely really nice. It moisturizes your face. If you have dry skin, I wouldn't recommend this. It's definitely more for those of us that have oily skin. The next product I used up was the Method Body Wash in Cucumber, Seaweed, and Green Tea scent. I really like the blue Method Body Wash the best, but I found this at TJ Maxx. It was basically half off, so I thought it was a really good deal, so I picked it up and I liked it, but still the blue one, Unwind, is my favorite. I used up this perfume, which I've had for years, the Vera Wang Rock Princess perfume. This smells really good. It's kind of clean but a little edgy, and I love this perfume. I probably would repurchase it if I found it at TJ Maxx or something. I don't think they still make this perfume. I think I've had this perfume honestly since like high school or college, but it is possible to use it for perfume, so definitely keep on it. And yeah, it's a nice perfume for sure. I used up this Biolage Volume Bloom shampoo. I used this shampoo in the past, like several years ago, but again, this was on sale at Ulta, so I ended up picking it up, and I do really like this shampoo. Again, it's geared towards fine hair, so if you have thicker hair, this shampoo probably won't be moisturizing enough for you. I used up one of these Neutrogena Hydro Boost with hyaluronic acid hydrating gel cleansers. This pretty much has been my go-to cleanser for quite some time, and I do really like it. However, since I'm getting married this summer, I really want to like step up my skincare game, and I was watching some TikToks and they said like not every single product that you use should have hyaluronic acid in it because it can actually be kind of irritating to your skin. So because I deal with redness, I was considering if I was using too much hyaluronic acid because I use the serum from The Ordinary, I use this, and then I was using that Cetaphil moisturizer as well. So I've recently switched to like the basic Cetaphil cleanser. I do like this cleanser. It's great, doesn't irritate my skin or anything, but I just wanted something a little bit more simplistic. And keep that in mind. Make sure you're not using too much hyaluronic acid in your products. I used up the In the Stars Bath and Body Works shower gel. This scent smelled amazing. It was very sophisticated, very woodsy yet clean, and I loved it. I'll definitely be repurchasing. I used up 2 of these Urban Decay Perversion mascaras. Hands down, best mascara ever. It's It's always so funny to me. I feel like a lot of influencers are always saying like, oh, you can just use a drugstore mascara. Not if you have really light eyelashes like I do. Drugstore mascaras, they take so many coats on your eyelashes. So this is legit for me. I feel like I can make this last like 6 weeks of like every single day use. It's just a great mascara. Again, it's pricier, but it's well worth the money in my opinion. I got the sample from Sephora and I used it up. I really liked it. It's the Peptide Skin Injection Amplified Wrinkle Fix Serum by Peter Thomas Roth. I feel like I do have some fine lines on my forehead, especially like between my eyes, where I feel like I will always be kind of like concentrated and like staring at my computer or whatever. I do think this helped. The full size is definitely pretty pricey and I decided not to invest in it just yet, but I may pick this up after my wedding, and I don't know. It was a good product, but I just don't know that I want to fork up the cash for the full size at this point in time. I used up a Laneige lip mask in the vanilla scent, and I also used up a Laneige lip mask in the peppermint scent. I love the peppermint scent. It's limited edition, only comes out at the holidays. This is truly my favorite Laneige lip mask, and I wish they would make the peppermint year round. I used up this CeraVe moisturizing cream. This is a great hand cream, great body cream. Again, very gentle. Not a lot of ingredients, and it's a good product if you have sensitive skin. I used up a concealer from Too Faced, the Born This Way concealer. I love this concealer. I've been using it for years. It's really great, again, if you have oily eyelids. It's really brightening, but it's not too matte. It's definitely not as matte as Tarte Shape Tape. So if you're looking for a concealer that's matte, but not that matte and not that thick, then this is what you want to try out. I almost used up this product, but I'm getting rid of it. It's the Sephora 10-Hour Wear Perfection Foundation. It says it's oil-free, but my skin recently started breaking out, and the only thing that I've done differently with my skincare routine is try out this foundation. So I think it was really clogging up my pores, so I decided to get rid of it. Also, it's a terrible color match for me. Any foundation that I found with the Sephora brand, whether it's this one or the Sephora Collection foundation, they just make really horrible shade matches for those of us that have fair skin with a rosy undertone. Like, these are way too neutral, way too orangey for me, and it just doesn't seem like they have any shades that really complement my skin tone. So I will not be repurchasing this, although it was cheap. I used up the Monsieur Big by Lancome mascara. I got this on sale at Ulta, and I don't know why I purchased this mascara because I don't like it. It's too clumpy and it's just too drying, so I don't really like it. I definitely prefer the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I know this one always goes on sale, and so that's why I keep picking it up, but it's just really not that good. I used up the Briogeo Superfoods Matcha Plus Apple Replenishing Shampoo. This is a really nice shampoo. Again, if you have oily hair, it's very clarifying without stripping your hair and making it frizzy. Oh, I used up another Tula Cult Classic face wash in the bigger size. This face wash is amazing. I used up the Detox Dry Shampoo by Drybar in the Grapefruit Mimosa scent. I got this at Marshall's. I really like the Drybar Dry Shampoo. I'll pick it up if I find it at Marshall's for a cheaper price, but I typically don't order it full price from Sephora. I used up Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is the holy grail of all foundations. Best foundation ever. It's hella expensive, but it's really good. I used up the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. Best eye cream ever. Definitely helps with those fine lines. I definitely notice a big difference whenever I use this cream consistently. Whenever I'm applying my makeup, and whenever I don't use it, it just really helps my makeup go on a lot nicer. I used up the Pharmacy Honey Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. This is great if you have acne or just any type of like skin texture. It really helps. I've had this product for years because my acne got to like a really good place and I didn't need the serum. But then, like I said, recently I've been breaking out. I don't know if it's like wedding stress or like I said, that Sephora Collection foundation, or I have been working out a lot and sweating in the gym. So I don't know if it's like a combination of those things, but I recently ordered a new bottle of this because this does really help with acne, especially those like deep breakouts that you get like beneath the skin. I used up this Bath & Body Works antibacterial hand spray, lavender vanilla. I had this in my gym bag for a while. I liked it. I got it like on sale and it was nice, but nothing groundbreaking. And then finally I used up this Maybelline Brow Express brow gel in the light brown shade. I use this product every day. I love it. I feel like it just really like makes your brows look good, natural, not too overbearing. So those are all of my products that I've used up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any of the products, leave them down below in the comment section and I will try to respond to you. But thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.